Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of ultra luxury and performance with the 2026 Brabus Motorhome. A true masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome raises the bar for exclusivity, comfort, and sheer power. First, let's talk about the interior. Brabus is synonymous with bespoke craftsmanship and bold design, and the 2026 motorhome is no exception. As you step inside, you're welcomed into a spacious and meticulously detailed living area that blends modern luxury with a high-performance aesthetic. The materials are second to none, featuring hand-stitched Napa leather seating, carbon fiber accents, and fine wood finishes. The living room boasts a massive 65-inch flat-screen TV, a state-of-the-art 3D surround sound system, and floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows that bring the outside world in. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and a built-in wine chiller for those who appreciate the finer things in life. The bedroom, fitted with a king-size memory foam bed, offers ultimate relaxation, while the luxury ensuite bathroom comes with rainfall showers and designer fixtures, giving you the feeling of a five-star hotel on wheels. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. Its bold, aggressive styling, combined with a sleek aerodynamic profile, ensures a commanding presence on the road. Finished in Brabus's signature deep gloss paint with carbon detailing, it not only looks stunning, but also exudes durability. A massive power retractable awning extends your living space outdoors, while the forged alloy wheels and illuminated Brabus badging underscore its exclusivity. Built on a reinforced yet lightweight performance chassis, it provides unmatched stability without compromising agility. Every line, curve, and detail has been engineered to make this motorhome a rolling statement of prestige. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is a beast in its own league. Under the hood lies a handcrafted 6.5-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing well over 900 horsepower, ensuring supercar levels of performance in a motorhome. Whether you're gliding on the highway or powering through rugged terrain, the advanced Brabus-tuned suspension guarantees a smooth, controlled, and exhilarating ride. Its intelligent 9-speed automatic transmission shifts with precision, balancing comfort and raw performance seamlessly. On top of that, the Brabus Motorhome comes equipped with cutting-edge driver assist features, adaptive cruise, and AI-based navigation, making maneuvering such a large yet powerful machine effortless in any environment. It's the ultimate fusion of brute force and refinement. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is undeniably one of the most exclusive motorhomes on the planet, and its price reflects that exclusivity. With a starting price of around $3 million, this is not designed for the budget-conscious. It's built for those who demand the pinnacle of luxury, performance, and individuality. That price includes full customization, bespoke interior options, and the unrivaled engineering excellence that defines the Brabus brand. To sum up, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is the ultimate expression of luxury, innovation, and high-performance engineering. It offers a level of sophistication, power, and exclusivity that is unmatched in the RV world.